Whiskey Alpha 5, Alpha Zulu Quebec rover calling CQ contest. WA5AZQ rover calling CQ contest. Standing by, any station, anywhere.
Kilo 9 Lima Zulu Yankee, you're coming in 5-9.
Kilo 9 Lima Zulu Yankee, this is Whiskey Alpha 5, Alpha Zulu Quebec rover. I am in Echo Mike 10. Do you happen to know your grid square there?
Echo Mike, I believe Echo Mike 10. Actually, yeah, Echo Mike 10.
Alrighty. I think we've talked before on contest weekends. The name here is Michael, and I've blanked on your name.
That's all right, Michael. It's Rob. And yeah, so yeah, I am Echo Mike 10. I remembered this time. Thank you.
Yeah, Roger. I appreciate it, man. The contest just started 1 minute ago, so me and Doug, KG5UNK, are going to be out here roaming around. You might hear some others out here. But are you in? I'm over in Lakeway, and you're 5'9", by the way. I guess I lost you, Rob. K9LZY from WA5AZQ.
Yeah, I'm in Lakeway. I just came up around a bend, so might have bounced somewhere.
Oh, Roger. I'm sitting right on that little road on the northern side of Lake Travis High School. The parking lot across the street at the bank there at the northernmost light of the high school, they're striping it today of all days. And so I usually go and park there overlooking the lake, but this is the second high spot I can see around on short notice.
Yeah, Roger that. I'm over by Hudson Bend. So, but yeah, you're good luck on the contest there, and I'm about ready to pull in the driveway. So, 73 and good luck.
All right, man. Well, I appreciate it. Have a good day, and we will talk to you later. K9LZY from WA5AZQ. QRZ, anybody else out there?
K5JM.
K5JM. Sam, this is Michael, WA5AZQ rover. Please copy my Echo Mike 10.
Yeah, QSL, you're 5'9" here into Echo Mike 10.
Roger, you're Echo Mike 10. I appreciate it. You have capabilities on 440 by chance, or you got time?
Yeah, I could do 220 and 440.
Okay, let's do 440 first, and then I'll have to switch power from this radio to the 220 rig. So let's do the 440 real quick.
Okay, yeah, give me just a second, I'll QSY.
All right, I'll QSY over there too. K5JM, WA5AZQ, QSY 446.0.
K5JM, QSY. K5JM, opening.
K5JM, this is Whiskey Alpha 5, Alpha Zulu Quebec rover. Please copy my Echo Mike 10.
Roger, yeah, you're a little scratchy here, but into Echo Mike 10.
Roger, I'm a little bit scratchy. You're pretty much 5'8", 5'9", so still getting a good copy on you. You want to try 220 next?
Yeah, you want to do 223.500, the call frequency?
Yep, that sounds good to me. I'll meet you over there. It'll take me a couple extra seconds to get wired up, and I'll meet you over there.
Okay, QSY 223.500, K5JM.
Yep, I'm going to QSY 223.500, WA5AZQ. Rover. Is the frequency in use, WA5AZQ Rover. K5JM, WA5AZQ, copy my Echo Mike 10, please.
QSL, Echo Mike 10, and staying here, Echo Mike 10. Here, maybe like 5 by 3 here.
Okay, Roger, you're about a 5'5", 5'7", something like that. So, not too bad.
Yeah, I don't know how sensitive this radio is on Simplex there, and it's running through a triplex here, so there's a little bit of loss. But great to work here. Good luck in the contest.
Okay, Sam, thanks for the extra effort. I really appreciate it, and good luck to you too. If you're gonna do anything in the contest, if not, have a good day. 7-3.
Okay, Michael, safe driving. K5JM.
This is WA5AZQ Rover, QRZ. Anybody else listening by chance? 223.5. Is the frequency in use? WA5AZQ.
KG5UNK.
KG5UNK. This is WA5AZQ Rover. Please copy my Echo Mike 10.
Hi, okay, Echo Mike 10. Copy my Echo Mike 10. Unfortunately, my 220 radio is not working.
That is not good.
Yeah, I had it all set up and ready to go, and I turned it on, and it made a weird noise, and I can't hear anything. I can see that there is audio. I mean, I can see there's transmissions going on. I guess it was you, but yeah, no luck.
Roger, Roger. Sam was just out here, K5JM. He and I made a 220 contact. I don't know if he's, I'll give a second and see if he's still back over here.
K5JM, KG5UNK. You on frequency?
KG5UNK, Kilo Golf 5, Uniform, November Kilo. This is Whiskey Alpha 5, Alpha Zulu, Quebec Rover.
Kilo Golf 5, Uniform, November Kilo.
KG5UNK, this is WA5AZQ Rover, Echo Mike 10.
Hi, Michael, Echo Mike 10. Yeah, I had to switch radios again for some reason. The other one couldn't hear you.
Oh wow, I mean I've been calling for a couple of seconds.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying. I mean, it's hearing me. I don't have any antennas attached to it now, but it's not. I had to switch back over to my normal everyday what we use to talk back and forth.
Yeah, Roger. And the propagation on 440 I don't think is all that great anyway. You're kind of scratchy. I'd give you a 5.7 or S7.
Yeah, you're a little noisy, but I can hear you just fine.
Yeah, Roger, same here. Whiskey Alpha 5, Alpha Zulu, Quebec Rover. Calling CQ VHF contest standing by any station. Echo Lima 09.
K5BZI.
K5BZI, WA5AZQ, Echo Lima 09.
Yes, sir. Thank you for Echo Lima 09. K5BZI, Echo Mike 10.
All right, Ray, made it. I'm at 1,112 feet, so hopefully somebody else hears me. But thanks for the making me a rover in this grid square now.
Yeah, Roger. You're a good S7 here.
Awesome, that's good to hear. I'm gonna sit here, and I'm just outside of Wimberley, so I'm gonna sit here for a little while. I think it looks like the road goes up a little bit more, but I don't know that I guess anything would help.
Roger that. Well, good luck, man. Thanks for the contact.
Thanks, you too. CQ contest, CQ contest. This is Whiskey Alpha 5, Alpha Zulu Quebec Rover. WA5AZ.
CQ contest, Kilo Golf 5, uniform, November, Kilo Sierra 5.
Standing by, any station. KG5, UNK. This is Whiskey Alpha 5, Alpha Zulu Quebec. You are S2 in Echo Lima 09.
I copied Echo Lima 09, copy Echo Mike 10, KG5 UNK.
Roger, Roger. And Roger to the dogs as well. You made it down here. Yeah, Roger, we can try UHF if you'd like.
Alrighty, KG5 UNK, QSY to 4467.
Alrighty, WA5AZQ is going to QSY to 446.0. WA5AZQ Rover. KG5UNK, Kilo Golf 5, Uniform November Kilo. This is Whiskey Alpha 5, Alpha Zulu Quebec Rover. KG5UNK, WA5AZQ. KG5UNK, WA5AZQ Rover.
Yeah, go ahead, Michael, KG5UNK.
Yeah, Roger. No joy on that, I guess. And I didn't get any takers over there. I guess you hadn't had a chance to look at your 220?
No, that's what I was going to do next year. We just got back and I just got settled in. I tried calling out on 900 a few times and I didn't get any takers, and I was going to call out here on 1294. I was going to hook up the other radio again to see if I could get it to work. So right now, no, but
Okie dokie, no problem. I'm gonna sit here. I'm at a roadside park, a TxDOT roadside park here just south of Wimberley, and it's at 1,200 feet. I think I sent you the. I don't know if I sent you the picture or not, but I'm gonna call out and see what I can get for a while.
Well, I copied a lot of that, but there was a lot of noise in there. The wife said you were much quieter and louder when you were calling out a few minutes ago. I don't know if that helps, but it probably only helps for the, like this distance. So good luck, and I'll see my KG5.
Okay, Roger, Roger. You've gone down some too, so same back to you as far as signal report. But have fun, and I'll be back up that way here in a little while. KG5UNK from WA5AZQ Rover 73, Doug. See you in a little while. QRZ, this is Whiskey Alpha 5, Alpha Zulu Quebec Rover for the ARRL VHF contest. Any station, anywhere, calling CQ contest. WA5AZQ Rover.